Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Through perseverance, many people win success out of what seemed destined to be certain failure. A little more persistence, a little more effort, and what seemed hopeless failure may turn to glorious success. It is impossible to live without failing at something unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default. There are two kinds of failures: those who thought and never did, and those who did and never thought. Sometimes our greatest insight comes from our failure, not from our accomplishments. The most important thing is never be afraid to take a chance. Always remember the greatest failure is not having the will to try. Don't quit before the miracle. Have a blessed and productive day. This time it's over. I'm keeping my heart. I'm going to be strong and not fall apart. Everything will get better. I'll no longer cry. Be strong enough to stand alone, smart enough to know when you need help, and brave enough to ask for it. Learn from your past, move on, and grow stronger. People are fake and you trust less longer. Do what you have to do, but always stay true, and never let anyone get the best of you. Sometimes a strong person isn't one who argues, but one who listens, not one who talks, but one who acts. When you are sad, you must smile. When you are happy, you must laugh. When you are weak, you must stay strong. Pain makes you stronger. Tears make you braver. Heartbreak makes you wiser. So thank the past for a better future. Each pain makes you more strong, each betrayal more intelligent, every disappointment more skillful, and each experience more wise. Small minds can't comprehend big spirits. To be great, you have to be willing to be mocked, hated, and misunderstood. Stay strong. You are only given the life you are strong enough to live, and if one day you don't feel strong enough, that's why you were given friends. When you fall 10 times in life, we must get back up 11 times harder and stronger, not afraid to give ourselves everything we have ever wanted in life. Disappointment is not easy thing to face, but standing strong in the face of disappointment and picking yourself up afterwards is crucial to living a good life. Facing challenges and working through them, that's what makes you strong, and even on your weakest days you get a bit stronger. So today stop wishing for it and start working for it. Take is cheap, action is priceless. Be thankful for the struggles you go through. They make you stronger and wiser. Don't let them break you, let them make you.